Jim, today is Friday, January 3rd. Welcome to another episode of Daily Crypto Analysis. I'm Professor Cage, an investing master at the real world. So, when it comes to analysis, investing, and trying to predict the future, what is going to happen, I am one of the best. और इसका प्रूफ आपको मेरी वीडियोस में मिल जाएगा. So, daily basis पे, I do all the analysis, and my job is to try to predict what is going to happen next और उसके accordingly खुद को position करना to make the maximum amount of gains in the crypto market जहां पे 99% of the people they lose their money. So मैं अपने analysis में जो भी बात करता हूँ first things first वो context में होता है what I teach in my masterclass. So I have a complete masterclass जिसको join करके you can become an expert. I have laid down the complete path from beginner to becoming an investing professional for the rest of your life. इसका मतलब आपको पूरी जिंदगी किसी को सुनने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. 24 घंटे चार्ट्स के सामने बैठ के गेस करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. आपको खुद पता होगा कि आप क्या कर रहे हो. Moreover, you will develop your own investing systems जो कि आपके लिए आपके trading decisions लेंगे. When to enter in the market, when to exit from the market, कौन से कॉइन को बाय करना चाहिए, कौन से कॉइन को like when to which is the strongest performing asset in the whole market. और मेरे स्टूडेंट्स ये लाइव लाइक रियल लाइफ में एक्सपीरियंस करते हैं इस चीज को. प्रीवियस लेग में आई न्यू आई डिडंट मेरे सिस्टम को पता था कि विच इज द बेस्ट परफॉर्मिंग एसेट. आई हैड नो इंटरेस्ट. मैंने उसको रिगार्डलेस बाय किया एंड इट टर्न्ड आउट टू बी द बेस्ट परफॉर्मिंग एसेट. एंड past few days my system it showed me a whole new token जिसके बारे में किसी को भी नहीं था पता. So again I bought it. मेरे स्टूडेंट्स को मैंने एक प्रॉपर बाय आइडिया के साथ बताया था. Actually I'm going to mention it here and it went up like 40%. It was these are systems आपको बेस्ट परफॉर्मिंग एसेट्स बताते हैं. आपको ये बताते हैं कि आपको कब एंटर होना है, when the market is trending, when the market is mean reverting, every single thing. आप अपने cognitive biases अपने investing decision में include नहीं करते. So, second thing, again, मैं जो भी अपने analysis में बोलता हूँ, it is in the context of what I teach in my masterclass. So, here, you can see, this is, if I can get it right, this is just an image. You can join my masterclass by DMing me on Instagram. So this is my Instagram username. अगर आप मुझे Instagram पे DM करो, you can join my masterclass जहां पे you will become an independent expert. And moreover, I provide all the signals. जो भी मैं decisions ले रहा हूँ डेली बेसिस पे मार्केट के जो भी सिग्नल्स हैं एंड एवरीथिंग सबसे पहले मैं वहां पे पोस्ट करता हूँ. उसके बाद उसका कोई 10% सिग्नल्स का मैं एनालिसिस में बताता हूँ. एनीवेज, then this is going to be the rough structure of my analysis. सबसे पहले I'm going to cover the macro information. Then I'm going to get into daily levels where I'm going to cover some medium short term, then meme market. Then I'm going to give you outlook, what is going to happen, what is happening, and most probably हम क्या expect कर सकते हैं. And then gonna give you some recommendations कि आपको अभी क्या करना चाहिए. So without any further wait, we're going to get straight into it and look at the market, what is happening right now. Beautiful. Bitcoin is pumping. Or who was the one जिसने आपको बताया था कि the rally is coming? And most probably मैंने यहाँ से ये सब draw किया था. I've drawn so many squiggles and just price ने उसको follow किया. I don't know. क्या मेरे पास कोई मैजिक क्रिस्टल बॉल है? No. अगर आप डेली बेसिस पे सुनो तो आपको समझ आ जाएगी. बट यू डोंट, क्योंकि यू जस्ट वॉन्ट टू क्विकली गैम्बल. आपको फैसिनेट करता है कि आपको कोई चार्ट्स पे 2 लाइंस लगा के ट्रेड्स बटन्स क्लिक करना बताए, राइट? लेकिन दिस इज द रियल थिंग. दिस इज राइट इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. मुझे 4 दिन पहले 5 दिन पहले पता था कि दिस इज गोइंग टू हैपन एंड आई वॉज प्रिपेयर्ड. आई ऑलरेडी पोजिशन माई सेल्फ. आप लोग अभी देख रहे हो कि ओ द मार्केट इज पंपिंग. I knew it 4 days ago. I positioned myself according to that. I made huge gains. I knew कि मुझे and all the strongest performing assets I was invested already because of my systems. So anyways, market is looking beautiful. Bitcoin is going up and after I won't say that the bottom is likely in. लेकिन मैंने कल वाली अपनी वीडियो में भी बताया था कि व्हाट इज हैपनिंग एंड व्हाट इज मोस्ट लाइकली गोइंग टू हैपन. Classic behavior, going to induce everyone into believing that this is the bottom, and we're going to go into the next rally and maybe probably go back, nuke them, and then go back up. All sorts of things. यहाँ से I'm telling that we are in a mean reverting market state. यहाँ से I'm telling that, and anything can happen in the mean reverting market state. Expect any kind of fuckery before we go back up. So we're gonna get straight into the data to see what do we have. सबसे पहले we have a new 42 macro lead of morning note. There was nothing very much interesting to talk about here today, other than I'm gonna read the executive summary. I mean, I'm not gonna read it, but you can read in your own time. Take a screenshot, stop the screen. They're just talking about the dollar strength, that basically what Trump is going to do with the dollar, and if it is going to continue or not, and what effect is it going to have on the cryptocurrency. The thing is, I was the first one to say this, that you can see there is incredible dollar strength right now, and who knows where it is gonna go. Maybe it's gonna go all the way up there, but it can very well revert back down from here, but it does not matter. Dollar can continue to go up, and it won't affect our cryptocurrencies, because dollar ka jo inverse correlation hai with the cryptocurrency, it is no longer valid, and this is based on American exceptionalism. America can become a strong economy. They can build a strong economy. They can go for a strong dollar policy, and still cryptocurrency will go up because conditions have changed. So uske alawa, what I want to cover here is that here Darius Dale has mentioned arguably the most important policy from the sequence perspective is the recently expired debt ceiling moratorium, or a difficult word. In mid to late January, the Treasury will likely commence the 700 billion of TJ spend on. We currently anticipate over the first 4 months of 2025, any act of Congress or accounting gimmickry by the Treasury Department that delays or truncates that represent a negative shock to US liquidity. Okay, so the thing is, they're talking about any kind of delay in the TGA rundown is going to have a massive impact on the market, because market is very sensitive. इस वजह से, because हम काफी देर से liquidity expect कर रहे हैं, but liquidity is not coming. If we go to the trading view liquidity proxy, where are my lines? Whoa. What? Where are my lines? There must be something wrong. Okay, I'm gonna draw them again. This was on January here, and I'm not gonna do it right now. By the way, मैंने यहाँ पे lines लगाई थी, like मैंने somewhere around this area I drew this, and if you go to like yesterday's analysis, you can find it out. And मैंने like we were expecting this. We were expecting this liquidity drawdown to make a lower low and then move back up. If we look at the Fiji dashboard, we go there. And again, I tell this every day कि ये सब कुछ वो चीजें हैं जिससे कि you can become and you can actually know what is going to happen in the market. Do not fade all of this. Do not, क्योंकि यही वो चीजें हैं जिससे कि हमें पता था कि what is going to happen. So अगर आपको एक चीज का पता है कि what is going to happen, and this is telling you that it is going to happen, you don't just simply fade it. आरआरपी में स्पाइक जो मैंने कल परसों कवर की थी, मैंने आपको बताया था कि इट इज गोना गो डाउन बिकॉज ये एक सीजनल इफेक्ट होता है. एंड देन टीजीए रन डाउन, एज वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग 700 to 800 billion of TGA rundown, which is going to compel liquidity to rise in the future. Like these are the projections from Michael Howell and Andreas Sterno Larson, who are macro researchers, and that is going to drive our prices into the next leg. Usse pehle, we are in a mean reverting market state. We are no longer trending on BTC, and this is why, in the absence of liquidity, expect this to Mean revert. Do not get psyoped. Do not get psyoped into believing unless we see external liquidity in the market. Do not get psyoped into believing that we are just heading to the next trend. Because all I see on my Twitter is this comparison. All I see is this. Oh, we went like this and now we're going to go up only. No, market does not repeat itself. It never does. uh, all I see is log fractals paste करे यहाँ से fractal लेके यहाँ पे paste करे and they're saying oh it is going to go up and probably they're going to get fucked. So what else do we have? Do I want to look at the VAMs ranges? Load up, come on. VAMs. Da, 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 da. Whoops, I broke it. VAMs for BTC. Okay, they are sitting around the upper range of the VAMs is 103, and on Ethereum, what is it? 3824. Sorry for that. 3824. So 103. Where is it? 103. Yep. So expect it to go at least to 103, or maybe it's gonna go, maybe it's not. VAMs ranges एक different purpose के लिए मैं use करता हूँ anyways. So it is just to anticipate okay with a single day volatility where it can go, so I can take the directional bet. उसके अलावा what do we have? उसको मैं बाद में cover करूँगा. Done with this. Done with the liquidity. Then we had negative inflows into Ethereum and Bitcoin yesterday. And most probably we are having some positive inflows, as you can see the reflection in the price. Bitcoin rate was negative 242.3 millions. So nothing concerning there. Average Bitcoin heat, very low, very neutral, which is amazing. स्पॉट रैली में है हमारा क्वाड्रेंट मॉडल, और मैंने आपको यहाँ पे बताया था कि इट इज गोना गो देयर एंड देन इट इज गोइंग टू गो into the spot rally, and I want to see it into the spot rally. So it is not just कि मैं आपको ये बताता हूँ कि what is going to happen with the model, but I love to do this. I love to do the analysis. I love to study these charts and everything to form the best expectation, and it is always good, always good to see कि आप जैसा expect कर रहे हो कि okay maybe it is gonna go there to see a sustainable up trend. So वो चीज इस तरह के metrics, इस तरह के indicators, इस तरह के charts में भी वो चीज play out कर जाए तो it is amazing, absolutely amazing to see, and खुशी होती है इस चीज से कि I do it with passion and I have created a very good understanding of this. परसेंट सप्लाई एंड प्रॉफिट, ऑल्सो परसेंट सप्लाई एंड प्रॉफिट पे मैंने आपको कहा था कि एक्सपेक्ट दिस टू बॉटम आउट हियर एंड एक्सपेक्ट दिस टू मूव अप एज बिटकॉइन प्राइसेस आर गोना गो मूव अप अगेन. अगर आप मेरा परसों वाला एनालिसिस देखो तो यू कैन एग्जैक्टली सी कि मैंने किस बात से कहा था. परसों या 3 दिन पहले, एक्चुअली 1 जनवरी का एनालिसिस देखना, नो 31 दिसंबर का एनालिसिस. इफ यू गो लुक एट इट, you will find out 31st December was this, and I said actually उसका thumbnail ही ये था कि crypto rally incoming. Okay, so 31st December को I said कि crypto rally incoming, and here we go. Only if you pay attention and only if you fucking take it seriously, you lazy cunts. Then well, the website market volume is high. I want to look at funding. What is going on with the funding? Mid caps pay funding is decent. Small caps decent. What about one day? Yeah, we're decent. What the fuck is this Ford coin? And market volume is increasing as well. And what do we have in the focus today? Sector performance. Which one is performing? Actually, all of them are performing very good. Memes are also playing out very nicely. इसके memes के लिए stick around. And another one, stablecoin ratio channel also. मैंने इसके बारे में भी आपको बताया था. इफ यू गो टू माय लाइक प्रीवियस एनालिसिस, इट इज अमेजिंग कि मैं लाइक कैसे इन चीजों के बारे में भी आपको बता देता हूँ कि हाउ दीज indicators, these metrics, they are going to behave. And I told you they're going to go somewhere around here, and it is going to take a couple of weeks to revert back up. So yeah, it is still going to take a couple of weeks, and maybe it is not as we it comes down to here, and then the prices move down and it moves down here. But if it is going to move back up and we are going to enter into a trending state, it is going to take another week or at least a few days. Then अभी हम चार्ट्स पे वापस जाएंगे. अभी तक हम सिर्फ एनालाइज करना चाह रहे हैं कि व्हाट इज हैपनिंग एंड व्हाट इज प्रॉब्ली गोइंग टू हैपन. Yep, this is also looking very decent. Then short term holder MBRB, जैसे मैं बता रहा था कि it has tendency to go back to its mean price, लेकिन it didn't. Maybe it is gonna go up to this threshold again. Then what else? Open interest is very low, which is good to see. Good to see that people are not like opening up a lot of leverage positions. और मैंने आपको बताया था कि like do not use any leverage through this area. Do not for God's sake, do not use any leverage, because you can most likely get wrecked, absolutely wrecked, because Bitcoin can simply go to somewhere here, reject from 100k. If it is going to happen, it can wick down and fuck everyone up before moving up. And expect the worst. Expect the worst. So then liquidations. I want to see liquidations. Liquidations on the coin glass. I want to look at symbol BTC 2 weeks, and here also 2 weeks. Let's look at that. Not very much dense liquidations here as they are building up right now, but there are dense liquidations above. So above the current price, which can drive the price further to 100,001, 111. Oh, sorry, 101. 101 or 101.5 is most likely where this cluster of liquidations are sitting. So probably it is going to grab those liquidations. Then what else here? Downside pay liquidations are at 90k again, and upside pay it goes to 101 here. 101. Liquidity liquidations, they act as a magnet for the prices, क्योंकि जहाँ पे लिक्विडेशंस होती हैं प्राइसेस एटलीस्ट वहां पे जाकर उन लिक्विडेशंस को ग्रैब करती है. लेकिन अगेन सिर्फ और सिर्फ ये चीज नहीं कि आप लिक्विडेशन हीट मैप देखो और आप एक्सपेक्ट कर लो कि ओके दिस इज गोइंग टू हैपन. गिव मी अ सेकंड. दिस इज गोइंग टू हैपन. मैंने इतना सब कुछ क्यों देखे? आई हैव लुक्ड एट ऑल ऑफ दिस बिकॉज हम सारी चीजों को देखते हैं, देन वी एग्रीगेट ऑल द इंफॉर्मेशन टुगेदर. We literally aggregate all the information together and form the best probabilistic expectation of what is going to happen. So now, let's look into, और मैंने आपको बताया था कि expect Solana and Ethereum to outperform, and here we go. ETH BTC ratio is going up, and Solana is also moving up nicely, expected to go up to at least 220, and उसके बाद if it holds there and goes up, it is going to go into its resistance. Sol BTC moving up very nicely, and Sol ETH also moving up very nicely. So Solana is the dominant major from BTC and ETH. और अगेन ब्यूटीफुल, एब्सोल्युटली ब्यूटीफुल कि मैंने आपको यहाँ पे बता दिया था कि एक्सपेक्ट सोलाना टू आउट परफॉर्म बिटकॉइन. देन व्हाट एल्स? या दिस वाज द टोकन ग्रास. मैंने आपको बल्कि एनालिसिस में कुछ दिन पहले, कोई 5 दिन पहले, 6 दिन पहले एनालिसिस में आपको मैंने यहाँ पे एक बाय एरिया दिया था. दिस यू कैन बाय ग्रास हियर. लुक हाउ मच डिड इट डू? 56%. If you bought grass in this red area जो मैंने आपको बताया था, 56% in 3-4 days. Guys, what are you doing? Like, नहीं माननी मेरी बात, ना मानो, जाओ जाकर उनको सुनो जो आपको लेवरेज बटन क्लिक करके आपको झूठ बोलते हैं कि this is the way to get rich, and you get absolutely wrecked. And other than that, Sui is also moving up. Oh, awesome, awesome, amazing. Sui, one of my big holdings, absolutely beautiful. Sui and grass, दोनों बेस्ट परफॉर्मिंग एसेट्स फ्रॉम ऑल दी ऑल्ट कॉइन्स. आप लोग फैंसी फैंसी ऑल्ट कॉइन्स का नाम लेते हो. Sui and grass, best performing assets. Absolutely fantastic to see. Fantastic. उसके अलावा rest of the market is going up also very nicely. Link, how is it doing? Expect this to go up somewhere around here and check. So basically check the liquidations heat maps. Okay. Check liquidation heat maps on all the different tokens जिसमें भी आप interested हो, and look at the cluster of liquidations. Probably prices are going to reach and grab those liquidations. मैंने आपको ये बता दिया है, like come on, like this is the time when you do this. This is not the time जब आप leverage positions open करो, because again मैंने आपको बताया कि you can absolutely get wrecked if you don't stay sophisticated. But जिस भी token में आप interested हो, look at the liquidations where they sit, and probably on 1 week 2 week chart, उससे ज़्यादा नहीं. So yeah, things are looking good, looking good. It can absolutely, people don't short the market. For God's sake, don't short the market. Why would you short the market when there are like obvious liquidations sitting around 100k? And also, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि we are gonna go there. We are, might very well we go there. We may even go up to 104, 105. Okay, but the thing is, if it decides to just make a high low and then goes back down, what are you gonna do then to grab these liquidations? This is why just play spot and play safe. Take your profits quickly. Do not keep holding. Do not. And do not short. Never, ever, ever short the bull market. Never. Because this is what people do. Normies dump people and they get wrecked. Now the meme market, Kikius Maximus went down to 60 something million market cap and now moving up again. I did not expect this to move back up. I thought this was gonna die, but maybe it is going to die again. I was able to buy the here, and I was able to sell all the way here. Amazing. Then चिल गाय का भी मैंने बताया था कि एक्सपेक्ट चिल गाय टू बॉटम आउट हियर, एंड मैंने अपनी मास्टर क्लास में भी सिग्नल प्रोवाइड किया था. एंड ब्यूटीफुल हाउ chill guy is moving up, and do not expect this to go like massive up. It can very well go somewhere around here and then move back down and keep chopping around this range, because I expect this is going to stay choppy for a while before moving up, or it might very well go somewhere around here. Who knows? We're gonna navigate as it goes. अगेन मेरे सिस्टम्स मेरे डिसीजन मेकिंग को नेविगेट करते हैं. मेरे सिस्टम्स मुझे बताते हैं कि व्हाट टू डू. मैं एनालिसिस जरूर करता हूँ, बट इट ऑल in the end depends on my system. Apu, one of my favorite memes, absolutely ripping today, absolutely ripping, but not sure how far is it going to do. And Wolf, my second favorite meme, also nice reaction from the bottom, and now moving up nicely. Well, expect this to go somewhere around like 200 million at least. Then what else do we have? मैंने आपको बहुत सी मीम्स बताई थी. मैंने अपनी मास्टर क्लास में बहुत सी मीम्स बताई थी, जिन्होंने लाइक एक दिन में दे डिड लाइक 9x. वन ऑफ देम डिड 9x, and the other one did absolutely, like, you need to join the master class, guys. What else do we have? Yeah, that is it. So guys, see, the thing is, do not get psyoped. मुझे कोई शौक नहीं आपको फजूल टोकन्स शिल करने का, कोई इस तरह से आपको कोई स्कैम बताने का, या फिर नन. मैं खुद भी वो नहीं करता. मैं खुद के एनालिसिस पे भी ट्रस्ट नहीं करता. हालांकि मेरा एनालिसिस लाइक 9 out of 10 टाइम्स एग्जैक्टली उस अकॉर्डिंगली होता है जो मैं कहता हूँ या जो मैं एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा होता हूँ. बिकॉज मैं कोई लाइक हवा में कोई चीज एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर रहा. इट इज ऑल बेस्ड ऑन डाटा. आपके सामने सब कुछ वो चीजें हैं जिनको मैं देख के एनालाइज करता हूँ कि ओके दिस इज गोइंग टू हैपन एंड यू कैन डू द सेम. वेल यू कैंट बिकॉज यू आर नॉट इन माई मास्टर क्लास. तो आपको बेसिक्स नहीं पता, आपको ये नहीं पता कि लाइक व्हाट इज द ग्राउंड्स ऑन विच वी डू ऑल ऑफ दिस एनालिसिस. अगेन एनालिसिस मेरे सिस्टम्स का रिप्लेसमेंट नहीं है. आई फॉलो माई सिस्टम्स और मैं आपको वो सिस्टम्स बिल्ड करना सिखा सकता हूँ इन माई मास्टर क्लास. दोज आर मैथमेटिकल ड्रिवन स्ट्रेटजीज जो कि आपको पूरी लाइफ के लिए दे आर गोइंग टू मेक यू लाइक शिट टन ऑफ मनी. बुल मार्केट को बुल मार्केट में 99% ऑफ द अदर पीपल दे लूज देयर मनी और उन सबको आउट कम्पीट करने का सिर्फ एक तरीका है बाय फॉलोइंग सिस्टम्स एंड नॉट फॉलोइंग दोज यूट्यूबर्स, दोज स्टूपिड इडियट्स, इलिटरेट bastards जो कि आपको लाइक ट्रेडिंग बताते हैं कि लाइक चार्ट्स पे लाइंस लगाओ एंड देन लाइक डू क्लिक दीज बटन्स एंड यू आर गोना मेक मनी. नो, इट डजंट हैपन दैट वे. It doesn't happen that way. That is not the reality. For God's sake, identify करो कि reality क्या है and then follow it. आपके सामने सब कुछ होता है. How much more do you need to see? How much more do you need to lose before you realize? कितने पैसे आप लोगों ने आज तक अभी तक गवाए एंड अगर अभी तक नहीं तो स्टिल आई ट्रस्ट इन स्टेटिस्टिक्स ये बताती हैं कि 99% of the people they lose their money within first 6 to 9 months. So meet me after 6 to 9 months and tell me how much money did you make with the like not getting lucky. We don't follow luck. We don't believe in luck. We make money with surety. We win for sure. हमें पता होता है एग्जैक्टली हम क्या कर रहे हैं because we have the knowledge. So if you want to crush this bull market, join my masterclass. DM me on Instagram, Khizr_Javed, and I'm there to guide you every step of the way. I'm there to genuinely help you become an independent expert for the rest of your life. That is going to be it for today's video. Don't do anything stupid. Don't use excessive leverage. आपको again ये नहीं पता कि when to sell, how to take your profits, and what to do at every stage. और ये सब इन सब चीजों के ऊपर डिटेल में रिकॉर्डेड लेक्चर्स हैं इन माय मास्टर क्लास. सो सी यू गाइस टुमारो with another episode of Daily Crypto Analysis. Peace.